Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to remove autofill suggestions in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your phone or computer. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Autofill. Here you'll see three autofill types: passwords, payment methods, addresses, and more. Tap Addresses and More. You'll see a list of saved autofill entries. Tap the trash icon or select any entry you want to remove, then delete it. This removes name, email, phone, and address suggestions. Return to the autofill menu and open Payment Methods. Remove any saved cards or payment details you no longer want Chrome to suggest. You may need to confirm with your Google account. Go back and tap Passwords, scroll through your saved passwords, and delete any entries you don't want auto-suggested. You can also turn off the toggle to stop Chrome from saving passwords in the future. To remove autofill suggestions stored temporarily, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and Clear Browsing Data. Select Autofill Form Data and tap Clear Data. And that's it. You've successfully removed autofill suggestions from Google Chrome.